So we're gonna start with the hair. Everybody loves a good bust down middle part boho braid, but I just feel like this time I want to do the opposite of what I typically do. I have 4 bundles that I've just washed. I have to blow dry them, but 4 bundles of 26, 24, 22, and 20-inch body wave hair, and then I have a 2x6 closure that I'm going to put in and install. As you can see, I'm starting with my freshly washed hair. First, I'm just going to be braiding my hair down so that it's super flat, super neat, and ready for me to actually sew in these bundles. I have my hair sectioned. I just do 2 here, 1 big one in the back, and I'm pretty much going to just do small braids that are kind of like gonna angle and curve so it doesn't just cut off right here. All right, y'all, so I am in the car. I need to go get my nails done before they close today, and it's already 5:30. So hopefully they're not booked and busy, because you know they will turn your ass around if you walk in there and it's like 2 hours before closing and they're packed. I'm not taking y'all with me for this one. I'm not going in here inside this nail salon with my camera, because I'm here to relax. I'm a mother of 2 and a wife, so when I get my time to come and get my nails done and stuff, I'm finna have about 4 drinks. I'm just kidding. Nah, let me stop. But I am finna relax. I'm only recording because nobody's right here. Okay, y'all, so I just got out of the nail salon and it's freaking dark as heck outside. But anyways, I just did regular white toes. Very, very classic. Yeah, I'm gonna go home. I actually have to cook dinner and like start being a mother again. So when my kids go back to sleep, I'll come back on and then we'll finish our maintenance. I think we have to do lashes, nails. I'm gonna style my hair a little bit, and then yeah, we'll see. This is the finished look for my hair. I was really just going for like a cute, beachy, messy vibe. I do not want straight hair, but I also don't want curly hair. So like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna do my fingernails and my lashes, and I'm good to go as far as my maintenance. And we're gonna pack. Guys, so I finished my nails. This is the finished look. Very cute. So nails are done, hair is done. I'm just going to touch up my eyebrows and then do my lashes, which I kind of wish I would have did my eyelashes before I did my nails because they're so long, but it's okay. We're gonna get it going. I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm actually going for the 90s skinny brow look. I think I did that. Poke myself in a goddamn eye. I'm just gonna do my cluster lashes. Say when I was doing these, oh my gosh, I do my lashes all the time. They never give me trouble, but this time when I really gotta go somewhere, they want to cut up. They're just crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna do my bottom lashes because I love bottom lashes. It just gives like such an animated look to me. Okay y'all, so I'm pretty much done with my eyelashes. Don't they eat down? Look at them. I am a bottom lash girl. I don't give up. I'm just kidding. I'm not though. I love some bottom lashes. Oh, they got stuck. They got stuck because I'm sealing them right now. But I love bottom lashes. They are like my freaking fave. I just like they complete the look. You will not see me with lashes and not the bottom zone. Unless they fall off. Because the cluster bottoms do not last long. But they eat down. They got stuck again. I just need them to last for my trip. So I'm gonna seal them. The last step now. So we've done our hair, we've done our nails, we've done our lashes, I did my eyebrows. So all we have to do now is pack. But the obstacle is, this is the bag. Y'all, it's like not a big bag at all, and I need to get outfits in here. And look, it looks pretty spacious, but this is all my stuff. Oh, and I forgot I have all these little bags. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna do it. So I know that I'm probably gonna have to not take some stuff, but I need to like organize it into like outfits and stuff of what I'm wearing. So like I need the full outfit or nothing. This is a full outfit and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. I'm taking this regardless. So we're gonna pack that right in. It goes with this cute bag, but I'm not gonna put the bags in yet. This is a swimsuit. Okay, so I've grouped all of my outfits together. I know y'all can't see it, but so far we just have one outfit. But that one outfit has this bag and these shoes. How freaking cute! Ah, I love this, y'all. It's so freaking cute. Like, it just goes together so well. So I'm gonna have to pack that too, because it's no point in me packing half an outfit. I'm not gonna just do clothes and then my shoes don't fit. Oh, but I can put my bathing suits in here. Got some swimsuits. Just gonna put that in there. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's LEEANNALEXUS. So you guys can see the outfits. Only thing that's left is my pajamas. Oh, where's my other shoe? Okay, I'm missing a shoe. The stress, y'all, the stress. I need y'all to see this. Do you see the bag? It's so full, y'all. I cannot overstuff the bag because then they're gonna be like, you can't take that as a personal item. Who the fuck can? Because I'm not paying $65 for a bag there and back. So I gotta pay, no. I still got one more. That must mean I don't need to bring that bag. So whatever's in there, oh, I'm just kidding. I probably don't need to bring that though. I could just put my sunscreen. This is just a hair clip. This is not looking good for me, y'all. I'm running out of space and I'm not done. I may have to pay for a bag. This hoe is stuffed already. I'm not taking no pajamas. Now, I truly think I can make it fit. I just think I need to go back and rearrange some things to make it more organized because I did just throw it in. So So we're gonna take everything out and I'm gonna do it all again because I'm bringing everything I want to bring. Okay, we have a dilemma. We had to leave some things out. The cute shoes cannot come. These are too damn big, too bulky for me to actually bring them. But I can still bring the bag because I'm going to open this one, put this one inside. Oh, it doesn't fit. If I can't bring at least the purse, the whole outfit needs to leave. I'm not wearing the whole outfit. I'm not wasting it because the outfit goes with the shoes and the purse. Okay, y'all, so I did get everything in the bag except for my laptop, but my husband is gonna put that in his bag because he does not have that much. We are good to go, y'all. It looks like a lot, but like, it looks big. It better not be. Online it said this is good for a personal bag. So, oh yeah, and I just have my purse. Hopefully they don't be tripping out on me. All right, y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little DIY maintenance and packing and just a personal item, not even a carry-on. But please stay tuned. I will be posting more content within the upcoming days, and I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below. Peace out.